In this video, we want to show you the proper way to install an insert. Whenever you have damaged threads, whether it be in an engine, a cylinder head, power steering pump, rear end, transmission, this is the way to repair it. Most shops use what's called a helicoil. A helicoil is a spring, sometimes hard to install because they're very loose when you install them and have to be staked into place. Then will sometimes come out when you remove the bolt. With a Time-Sert, it's a full set of threads, a solid bushing. It's when you drill it, tap it, and install it, the last 3 threads will expand and lock it in place, therefore not coming out. I'd like to show you the ease of the installation. First, you drill the damaged thread. And you'll countersink it for the lip of the insert to set on. You then tap the hole. Make sure to get it deep enough to accept the length of the insert you need. Install the insert on the driver and you'll notice that it'll only go on about halfway. That's because the last 3 threads are unfinished, and as you install it, it'll screw all the way down, and then you'll feel it get tight. When it gets tight, it's expanding those last 3 threads. When it loosens back up, you'll know that it's completely installed. These inserts are not only used in automotive shops, but they're also used in motorcycle shops, small engine repair, transmission shops, anywhere where thread repair is needed. Once you get a customer changed over to a Time-Sert, they'll never go back to anything again. Remember the specialty kits, individual ones, master kits. We have mini master kits as well as specialty kits, Cadillac North Star engines, as well as the Ford Triton spark plugs. We also offer big certs. Big certs are for when a customer's tried to put a helicoil in, they failed, it's come out, they need to go back to the original size. The big cert is a thicker wall and will bring it back to its original size. Time-Serts, the ultimate way to repair threads.